From December 4th to Wednesday, December 11th, physics students undertook a special 50-point project.
So the objective of the project is to make a wind generator where I give them a motor, just a simple little DC motor, and they have to construct some sort of propeller blade system that will capture the wind energy and generate the most voltage and power possible. So instead of just making one go at it and calling it good, we ask them to make one go at it, trial it, and then take the weekend, improve, and see what they can do to get better results. There's multiple designs that will work well. It's a small generator, so the best method for simple generation is a small propeller system. However, if you want to step it up with gear systems, you can actually make giant propellers that will capture more wind while still generating a lot of energy using gears.
The students worked hard to find something that worked well and met the requirements needed for the project.
I would say the hardest part was probably finding like a design that worked well and functioned and like spun straight and just overall worked.
Physics is a class full of challenging material, so it is a rewarding feeling when a project is successful.
I was excited that it actually worked because I didn't do a first trial, so doing the final trial and just having it work was pretty satisfying.
Students learn more about wind generation while using creativity to come up with different ways to make their projects spin.
You know, I'd like to think they learned something about wind generation and electrical generation, renewable energy, but at the same time, I think they also learned something about creativity and the process of improvement through just design and reflection.
I've learned a little bit more about wind turbines. It's definitely made me more of a Lego nerd because that's what I built my project out of. I used a lot of gears, just kind of how gears worked in general.
The physics teachers are always looking for new ideas to improve the project for future years.
Well, it's probably our second or third year. It's still relatively new, but we're improving as time goes on and adding new aspects of it that hopefully improve student learning.
Overall, the physics project is a chance to let students get creatively involved in their learning. This has been Michelle Miller and Jenna Reynolds for the MWHS Wildcat News.